was. The so-called garbage patch, you may have heard about it. It's a floating mass of disintegrating plastic the size of Texas that's in the Pacific, is now giving way to a plastic island. It was just discovered by Captain Charles Moore, who discovered the garbage patch back in 1997 and alerted us. He found the plastic island in the Pacific. It's about 900 miles west of the California coast. Here's what he has to say about it.
It's large enough to actually be a hazard to navigation and to attract debris and grow. It's got a lot of beaches made out of ropes that we can climb on. It's got buoys stacked up to make hills.
Captain Moore was the first person to bring it to our attention. He's been showing us that this plastic slowly disintegrates, turns into a gel, and the tiniest pieces get into seabirds and also fish that will then get into the food chain. Moore says that this debris is probably from the Japanese tsunami 3 years ago. An incredible story. We'll follow it on your Weather Channel.